Hello everyone. Welcome to my ESL Academy. This video lesson I will introduce small thing about Korean language. Before the invention of Hangul, people used the borrowed characters from Chinese that had the closest sounds to the Korean sounds, but this was not an ideal system for writing Korean. The Korean language is an East Asian language spoken by about 77 million people. In the 15th century, King Sejong the Great personally developed an alphabetic featural writing system known today as Hangul in South Korea. The Korean language is referred to by many names including
한국어,
Korean language,
한국말,
Korean speech,
우리말.
our language. There are 24 letters in the Korean alphabet, 14 consonants and 10 vowels. There are some mixed 5 consonants and 11 vowels. The 21 vowels in Hangul are divided into 10 basic vowels and 11 double vowels. The 19 consonants in Hangul are divided into 14 lenis and aspiration and 5 fortis. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and I will see you guys in next video.